Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last video we have learned how we can use floating action button in our activity, and we have shown the example also to display the toast under the action floating action button. But we have seen in more commercial application that in place of toast we are going to use the snack bar. So just we can use snack bar here. For example, I show you here we have to use snack bar like this, and in place of make test we have to give make here, and in place of toast I have to use the snack bar dot duration, and here we have to pass the object of the layout on which you want to display this snack bar. So layout object is already decided, that is constant layout, and from where we are getting this, we are getting it from here. You see we have a coding part and this layout is constant layout, so I have given the name to this constant layout. The id is const layout, so this layout we have to pass here. Now in place of toast, as we are using in previous application, in place of toast like this is toast, I will use now the snack bar. You see when I click on this, the snack bar will display like this. Snack bar is display and automatically will go out after certain time, so it look better in place of toast. So you can use snack bar, and snack bar is always come at the bottom of the activity like this. Now we will see some actions and some formatting for this snack bar also. So we are not removing, we are not showing it right directly. Now we are creating a object val snack bar equal to this. Now before showing it, I want to add the action for this. Snack bar dot set action. Here I pass show toast. So under this I will display the toast, or we can open some activity, or we can perform some task, whatever we want. So here I want to add the action that some toast should be displayed, so message should be displayed. So application context, here I say toast under snack bar, then duration of the toast, and then show. You see we have added the action also. Now we want to show it. So snack bar dot show. Now we want to show it, and I show you that it will look better and it will be with the action. So if something you want to perform after the displaying of the message under the snack bar, like this has come. Now I click on this, you see action has been inserted, show toast. I click on this and it will display the toast. Again I click on this, display message, and action also I click on, action will perform. So with on click of this button you can perform any task whatever you want. You can open any activity, or you can do other task also whatever you want. So we just add the action, and I have shown you the example of it. Now if you want to change the color, so you can change color also. Set action color, here I can give the color. Suppose I give red color, I run it again. So the action color would be red in place of blue. Just coming, when I click on this, you see text color has been changed for action. I just click on this and it is red color. And if you want to change the color of this this text also, that you can also do that. For that what we have to do, we have to get the object of the view, so that I'm getting the object of view. So snack bar dot view like this, and then I use the object of the text view that is under the snack bar. So find by view ID, then here we have to put text view, and here I have to give the com dot google dot android dot material dot r dot id dot snack bar text. So this is the snack bar text which display there. This is the text which display here. If I click, this text ID is this one. This one is the ID. Now we can change the color. So text view dot set text color, and here I say color of this text should be yellow like this, and I run it again. When I click on this, you see the color has been changed to yellow, and that is red. So like this way we have used the snack bar also in place of toast. And that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.